Hi, I'm Sarah, one of our techs here at RV Doctor in Midway, Tennessee. And today we're talking about the importance of maintaining your roof. And one of our RV owners, Dave, has already gotten started. So let's go see where he's at. Well, he should be on the roof, but I don't see him.
As you've heard, it's very important to maintain your roof, but it's even more important to maintain your safety. Now, we had a little bit of play acting and it looked like I had fallen from the roof, but these things actually can happen. And we want you to be safe rather than getting up on top of a roof, falling off just because you're trying to maintain your roof. Safety is more important than anything else. So, Sarah, when you're up on a roof, what are you actually looking for?
So, most importantly, we're looking for any big cracks or any big tears or holes. So, for example, right here, there's some bubbling and there's a tear here. And then we also have a little pinhole right there. This is what lets water in. This and damages the membrane of your roof. It can damage the wood underneath, and it can even get down into your walls. So these are really, really important to cover up and seal well.
One thing I noticed was that this roof is a little dirty. What do you
Mm-hmm.
recommend as far as cleaning it? Not the products, but necessarily like time frame.
So we recommend that at the beginning and end of every season, just get on your roof, check it out, make sure it's clean, and the better care you take of your roof, the longer it will last you.
Sarah, we get a lot of questions about recoating a roof. Not necessarily redoing, but recoating. What do you recommend or what do you look for when you tell somebody to recoat?
So recoating your roof is also very important. And when you start to see damage from the sun, kind of like these gray spots, when you see any sort of tearing or peeling, that's kind of the time where we would recommend coating your roof if you're not ready to replace it or if it doesn't need to be replaced yet.
At RV Doctor, we have been on hundreds of roofs, and we know when it's safe and when it's not safe to get on a roof. If you have any reservations, give us a call and we can walk you through what we would do for your RV here at RV Doctor. Sarah, you were up on the roof and you were showing us what you look for as far as maintaining. The next question we typically get is about price. And how much does it typically cost to have your roof resealed, recoated, or even completely redone?
So pricing for these kind of things vary, and it really depends on how much you have upkept the roof. So the more damage you have, of course, the more expensive it will be. And sometimes it's best to completely take off all of the old seals and apply new seals. If you have a lot of holes, if you have a lot of cracks and tears, if we just put sealant on top of that, we can't guarantee it's actually going to fix anything. So we like to start at the very beginning. And that can be pretty time consuming. It's tough to get the old seals off, but it's the best way to put new seals on and ensure that you're not going to have any more water come through.
The other question we get often, Sarah, is about completely redoing a roof and the expense that goes in with that. What actually goes into redoing a complete roof?
All right, so redoing an entire roof is a very time consuming job. We have to take off all of your vents, all of your skylights, any air conditioners. We have to completely remove everything that's on top of your roof. That includes the seals. Then we have to take off the membrane, which is typically applied with a very strong sealant. And then if there's any damage under that membrane, we take care of that as well. So like I said, it's a very time consuming job, and typically the going rate is around $300 to $350 per linear foot to repair or redo a roof.
So if you have any questions on whether or not you need new seals, you need a new roof, or you just need it coated, now is a perfect time before the season begins. Give us a call here at RV Doctor and we'll be more than happy to walk you through and help you with what you need.